We made waffles, a lot of waffles. From crispy Belgian towers to bite-sized breakfast snacks, we tested these waffle makers in real kitchens with real batter, and yes, we ate every single one. Here are the top 5 waffle makers that actually deliver in 2025. 4 waffles at once? Yes, please. The Dash Multi Mini is a game changer for busy mornings. We made 4 4-inch waffles in under 5 minutes, and they all came out evenly cooked. The non-stick surface is just as easy to clean as the single version, and the quick heat-up time means no waiting around. It's ideal for families, brunch parties, or meal prepping. Just add batter and let the waffle magic happen. Check the description for product links and best prices. This is the waffle maker that feeds the whole crew without the chaos. Ever wanted waffles that look like they came straight from a brunch cafe? The Cuisinart WAFF40 is your ticket. With its 180-degree flip mechanism, this thing ensures even browning and perfect texture. Crispy outside, fluffy inside. We tested it with thick Belgian batter and it nailed it every time. The dual plates mean you can make 2 waffles at once, and the ready indicator lights are actually accurate. No guessing games here. It's a bit bulky, but if you're serious about waffles, this is the one to beat. Ideal for families, brunch lovers, or anyone who wants to flex their waffle game. Check the description for product links and best prices. This is the waffle maker that turns your kitchen into a brunch hotspot. If you want control without complexity, the Gourmia Belgian waffle maker hits the sweet spot. We loved the adjustable browning dial. It's not just a gimmick. You can go from golden soft to crispy brown with precision. The non-stick plates released waffles cleanly, and the compact upright storage is a win for small kitchens. It's perfect for couples, students, or anyone who wants great waffles without a countertop takeover. Bonus: the cool touch handle means no accidental burns mid-flip. Tap the description for product links and best prices. This is the waffle maker that's smart, sleek, and surprisingly powerful. Don't let the size fool you. The Dash Mini waffle maker is a cult favorite for a reason. We tested it with regular batter, protein mix, and even leftover mashed potatoes. Yes, waffle potatoes are a thing. It heats up fast, cooks evenly, and the PTFE non-stick surface wipes clean with a paper towel. It's perfect for kids, solo snackers, or anyone who wants a quick waffle fix. And with all the fun colors and seasonal designs, it's basically a countertop mood booster. Hit the description for product links and best prices. This is the waffle maker that proves small can be mighty. If you hate cleaning waffle batter off your counter, meet your new best friend. The Breville BWM520XL has a built-in moat that catches overflow. No drips, no drama. We tested it with overfilled batter just to see, and it handled it like a champ. The 7 browning settings are legit, and the stainless steel build feels premium. It's perfect for perfectionists, weekend chefs, or anyone who wants gourmet waffles without the mess. Plus, it looks great on the counter. Tap the description for product links and best prices. This is the waffle maker that keeps things crispy and clean. We didn't just read reviews, we made waffles. From compact cuties to double flip beasts, these waffle makers earned their spot. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd, there's a perfect pick here for you. Drop your questions in the comments. We'll reply with what we actually experienced. And if you want more gear tested the way it should be, hit that subscribe button. Check the description for product links, best prices, and more gear we've actually tested.